Hi, hello, welcome to the GK by Srihari channel. Shore Temple is situated in which state of India? Option B, Tamil Nadu. Which day is celebrated every year as World Environment Day? Option C, 5th June. Which of the following was invented by Walter Hunt? Option B, safety pin. In which state is the Ponang folk dance practiced? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the second largest artificial lake in Asia? Option B, Debar Lake in Rajasthan. Which national park is present in Assam state of India? Option C, Kaziranga National Park. With which musical instrument was Palghat Mani Iyer associated? Option C, Mrudangam. To which state does the Bagh style of textile art belong? Option D, Madhya Pradesh. Which currency is associated with the United Kingdom? Who is the writer of the novel The White Tiger? Option B, Aravind Adiga. The term dolphin kick is associated with which sport? Option C, swimming. Which abbreviation related to Indian Civil Services is incorrect? Option A, ICS. What is the insurance cover for artificial death under given scheme? Option C, 2 lakhs. Which film is based on the India-China War of 1962? Option D, Hockey Cut. In which temple is the Abubasi fair celebrated? Option B, Kamakhya temple. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. Similarly, what is the capital of Iran? Option B, Tehran. Salsit Island is situated in which state of the India? Option C, Maharashtra. Who among the following was a Gupta ruler? Option B, Vikramaditya. Gir National Park is situated in which Indian state of the following? Option A, Gujarat. Which committee recommended fundamental duties inclusion? Option C, Swaran Singh Committee. In economics, IPO stands for what as per stock market? Option B, initial public offering. Who is the first president of the United States of America? Option B, George Washington. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.